Hey everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider, and today we are going to do QQQ, looking at the daily versus the weekly, similar to what we did on SPY on our previous Thursday analysis video today. And what we see here is kind of the same thing with this inverse head and shoulders here, if you want to call it that, with the weekly EMA 50 also acting as resistance here as well. The lower indicator setup also looks pretty similar to SPY, and it will be interesting to see which way the price really breaks down through either the support or breaks out through the resistance above. So we're getting very close to the apex of this wedge, and that should kind of tell us where the direction of the markets may go shorter term. From a longer term perspective, we are in this kind of megaphone pattern short term. The longer term pattern is kind of this very parallel, if you will, price channel, and we're having trouble breaking through the EMA 50, as we can see here on the daily chart, and we're just mapping it out here on the weekly chart as well. And if we continue to break down here, we could easily test this channel support below around 160 to 162 again. Now, if this finds a bottom, the next area to watch would be the SMA above. So we can easily create an alert there for a breakthrough, touch, or bounce with medium sensitivity. So pretty much anytime that the price touches anywhere in this purple area and closes in the 10-minute candle in this area, we will be alerted. And so we can just do resistance above, 7 days past, or trigger 3 times is when this would expire. We'll create the alert. And now, we will be alerted if the price gets anywhere in this purple area. If we really wanted to just sit back, relax, and not worry about the chart until either one of these areas is tested, we could also put in alert here. Same thing. And we could make it maybe a little more sensitive, meaning we'll have less room for error. Put it here. We'll have it also trigger on the 10-minute candle. So anytime the 10-minute candle closes in this area, we will be alerted. We will name this support below, 7 days have passed, or trigger 3 times, and then it's created. So technically, you could just kind of let the chart do the work here, and you would be alerted either when the price touches the bottom or the top. And that is kind of the beauty of our alerts. You can also see how that alert is now shown on the daily candle as well. And now we have everything mapped out, and we are ready to see what happens with the price action in the coming days. Thanks so much for listening in, and we will have our last video on XBI coming up.